जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 517th namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 55th sloka. Om Sakshine Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who directly observes everyone, and especially you are the one who observes your devotees more and more. You are the one who has concern about the welfare of your devotees more and more. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Sakshine Namaha. Om Sakshine Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Lakshmana is saying to Rama that, "Oh my dear brother Rama, Sitamma spoke to me very harshly." What did she say? Oh Lakshmana, you are planning to kill your own brother, thinking that if your brother is killed, you would be able to enjoy me. But Lakshmana, that is never going to happen. Oh Lakshmana, you and your brother Bharata, both of you made a plan, and according to that plan, you followed Rama into this forest, thinking that whenever you get a chance, you would kill Rama. You did not came with Rama with affection or any kind of devotion. You just came with Rama into this forest only to kill Rama, and you can get me. Oh Lakshmana, now I realize that you are the one who is the biggest enemy to Rama. Like this, oh my dear brother Rama, Sitamma spoke to me harshly and she said whatever it comes to her mouth. Oh my dear brother Rama, when Sitamma spoke to me like this, Samrabdho Raktalochanaha, I cried a lot, my eyes got red and my lips started shaking, and when Sitamma spoke to me like this, I felt that I have to move from there. Then Ashramat Abhinirgataha, immediately I left from there. When Lakshmana said all this, while crying, Rama responded to Lakshmana like this: Oh Lakshmana, oh my dear Lakshmana, you have not done a proper thing. You have not done a right thing. I realize that you are also saying that Sita is in very much angry. When someone is in very much angry, whatever they spoke, you should not be following that. You said Sita was in angry and Sita spoke very harshly. Then what did you do? You also did the same thing with so much of angry. You just left Sita alone. By leaving Sita alone, it is nothing but you kept Sita in all kind of troubles. You also did the same. When a woman is in so much angry, you should not be listening to, you should not be taking those words very seriously. But you have taken all those words seriously and you also did the same wrong thing. Nahite paritushyami. That is why Lakshmana, I cannot appreciate what you have done. I cannot agree what you have done. Like this, when Rama was talking to Lakshmana, Rama got slipped off. His leg slipped off. and entire of his body started getting shaken. Again, these are all bad omens. When these kind of bad omens repeatedly coming across, Rama again and again started calling Sita, Sita, and also saying to Lakshmana that, "Oh Lakshmana, do you think that my Sita would be safe?" And also Ramachandra Swami, while calling Sita, Sita, he is searching everywhere, every possible places. It is looking like almost Rama is flying in the air. That much of fast he is going here and there and every place while calling Sita, Sita, and while crying, he is searching for Sita all around the places. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 55th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Jivo Vinayita Sakshi Mukundo Amita Vikramaha Ambho Nidhihi Anantatma Mahodadhisayontakaha. Jivo Vinayita Sakshi Mukundo Amita Vikramaha Ambho Nidhiranantatma Mahodadhisayontakaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Om Sakshine Namaha. Om Sakshine Namaha. Om Sakshine Namaha.